Hello, and welcome to our second ever Panda Reacts.
Yeah.
And we have a special guest on this one, Akansha.
I'm always special.
The reason actually I wanted Akansha or Anurag to be on this one is because they've not watched the Roadies a lot.
Yeah.
And
so basically, like I've not watched any roadies at all. And the reason behind it is not because I'm cool or fancy, जो मेरे को allowed नहीं था. And other than the actual challenges of that Bani wala this thing, because
Bani season.
Because when I was in that teenage phase, that Bani wala season became such a rage, and people were only talking about that. कि छुप छुप के I used to watch those, but the auditions were well over. Like it was in the challenges phase.
You're one of the very few people who watches the contest part of Roadies and not the auditions.
Yeah, because everyone talks about roadies auditions, and I'm like,
I don't know.
So this will be like my first. I'm a roadies audition virgin. So
Here we go.
yeah, cool. What's the name of this clip?
Nikhil Chinnappa slapping contestant.
Pretty clear. So far, so good.
Angry, he said, not horny.
Yeah. It just starts with angry,
For all
not
the
horny.
fucking intensity of a newborn baby. Go sit the fuck down.
Notice the amazing
Background setting.
setting background to hey dude. Look at the clothes he's wearing. I feel like nothing screams more 90s than
Nikhil Chinnappa in a full shirt, which he has kept open like this, and tucked in with big belt.
and skinny jeans. You can't forget.
Matlab, elves have stitched it on him. Matlab, how he got into them, I don't know.
Now you pissed me off, man.
Intensity! Passion!
I have that passion, I have that intensity. I'm sure I'll definitely
Got the
make
fucking
it.
passion
Are
up
you-
your
Put
ass.
your hand inside your ass and pull it out! Oh, yeah.
They are asking him for passion? For
Integrity.
roadies. Okay.
And he's
He's
saying
like, कि है मेरे पास.
है मेरे पास.
The dude is like, नहीं है, बम के अंदर से निकालो. Okay. Cool. Whichever you are, Raghu or Rajiv, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a mystery. We don't know.
Maybe it's just one person and we keep seeing them double. I don't know. Are you showing his shoes off also?
ये
Chal?
रोडी कोई
yeah.
रात में नहीं बट रहा बहनचोद.
Oh, they used to
I'm
abuse like this on
passionate about
TV.
roadies.
Are, that's what Akansha. Okay, so
Bhencho tha what he's saying.
Are Roadies was known for that. Why people used to watch
I
it?
thought they used to do the stuff.
No, they used
No?
to like full on say stuff on TV. And why all these angsty teenagers used to watch was this only.
They'll be like,
Yeah, they are the same people who used to listen to Honey sings that Chooth song in the corner of one class like that. Everyone remembers that
those
song.
times. Look at this. कितना I'm missing something. Why is he a gorilla?
You guessed it though, that's good.
You see angry gorilla?
That is his
Slap
challenge.
yourself.
And he's fuck.
Slap yourself. Better.
Okay, 1 second. So their grand passionate integrity challenge for roadies was you act like a gorilla. And when this poor boy failed to do so because it is not normal.
He said first, not angry. I said angry, not horny.
I'm very angry on behalf of this horny gorilla.
No, I see. the
Arey,
thing-
what would have been funny if Nikhil sort of slapped him and he slapped Nikhil back. Be like, देख मेरा passion. अभी आया ना बम के अंदर से.
But it's wild. So basically, what they used to do is, they used to keep asking people to do ridiculous things.
Okay.
And they used to see if the person will break.
Oh.
Like that was at least that's what we
बेटा तो
think.
अभी तो इसको धक्का मारा गोरिल्ला बना थप्पड़ मारा ये बेचारा सेलेक्ट हुआ कि नहीं
That's what we think was the point. We don't even know if that's what Roadies ka baat was.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
They selected this guy. He became
They have to,
runner-up.
I guess, otherwise he could
He
sue
became a
them.
runner-up of that episode.
So
that
he
season.
had passion. The way he slapped his
That's
head.
what I'm saying. If you do well or not in the audition, doesn't matter on you, Akansha.
You just have to be memorable, is it?
I think you have to be good on TV. Bus.
Maybe. I don't know.
As
Because
in-
here also, he was kind of, I could forget the kid. It's Nikhil's actions that were quite memorable, I would say.
Nikhil has passed and he has become a roadie. So this one actually, Ramanujan wanted to show you. Ramanujan wanted to show
In
you.
case anyone's wondering, it's all available on Voot and we are not paid to say this. If you want to waste your life, please watch it on Voot.
इतना अच्छा टाइटल सीक्वेंस देखा है कभी?
Oh. It's animated and all, huh? The entry to
I'll show you what I wanted to show you.
Shortcut to hell.
And it was all angsty and fiery and like everybody wants to be a roadie because it looks cool.
I remember that. I remember her whole phase where all the cool kids were in the category of अरे you saw that roadie thing, वो challenge में आराम से कर सकता है. मैं तो आराम से बन जाएगा roadie. And like these are all the kids with the earrings and
Correct.
and the baggy jeans. Remember when you were okay with your jeans getting torn because they are ghassifying on the road? This was a part of your life. Imagine in Corona times that happening. You'll burn it.
Oh my god, yeah.
And all these children are like this.
It's different.
खुद से सच बोलो, जिससे भी बोलना है तो सच बोलो.
Okay.
Everything gonna fine. तो मैं सिर्फ सच बोलना चाहूँगा.
Good starting point.
The thing is कि लाइफ में टैलेंटेड बहुत रहा हूँ अभी तक भगवान के पास है. क्रिकेटर, एक्टर, डांसर, फुटबॉलर, बैडमिंटन,
I understand this
देन रैप किया, मिमिक्री करी है.
Cricketer, actor, footballer, badminton. I think.
Okay, I missed that.
मिमिक्री करी है, स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग करी है, लिरिक्स लिखे हैं.
मैं रैपिंग की बात कर रहे थे आप मैं सुनना चाहूँगा
Oh, he said rapper also. It's like अपने खिलाड़ी पे
चिड़ी मैनू पता नहीं ओ गुड़ी गानू मेरे ते फिदा नहीं कहंदी गल सुन ले वे यारा तेरा मेरा पुराना.
He stood up because it's like too much.
आजा आजा मेरी जा मेरे दिल.
I love how they all have to be intense as fuck.
Yeah.
Like they can't change their expression.
The judges, na, they have to take it very seriously. Moving on.
I've seen this so many times.
Vijay.
But Ranvijay just continuing the conversation as if
Mitana, ha.
that
And
end.
Ranvijay is just like, हाँ तो तूने ये चला.
ऑब्वियस है बट चलो पूछते
Okay.
माई की स्पेलिंग क्या होती है
Mike.
Actually it's MY but मैं use करता हूँ MAH.
Ma. I ain't no black, I ain't no white. I don't fear any war or fight. Man, fear is I punch it.
Bullshit
हर
तो
shit.
this thing.
अच्छा, hey,
हाँ, but benchot you can say. Bullshit is bad word.
जैसे
Kids.
MY को MS लिखता है ना वैसे हम हर्षित को हर्षित बुलाते हैं
I won't sacrifice my self-respect for a small issue.
That's very vulnerable.
You remember
I
we used to
hope
write
That's very
किसी-
wannabe.
We used to write Facebook statuses like
That's true. Nothing was full. Time was TYM. You're
Late.
saving time only of one letter.
late was L8.
Dude, yeah. Also, fine was F9, and I never understood that because it's fanine.
आपने किसी के साथ इंटरनेट पे फ्लर्ट किया है हा हा हा
So
I don't know
seriously?
it's by God grace being a student of psychology I did a lot and don't know how but I succeeded every time explain कीजिए
हाँ, the thing is
Explain
कि
कीजिए.
मैं profile check
Star
करता
में
हूँ people
बताइए.
किसी-
I am amazed because I have not seen this before and how much like a job interview or I would actually say like a college interview it is. Right? Like where they're like, I see this. Now please tell me more. Acha, your interest is reading. What you have read recently? And then you're like, fuck.
Ma laugh, ma rules.
पांच पीप अगर किसी की मुझे किसी बंदे की पिक पसंद आई मेरा पहला मैसेज आता है नाइस क्लिक ऑब्वियसली बात है रिप्लाई आएगा थैंक्स अ लॉट आई यूज्ड टू से कि हैव यू एवर हर्ड द नेम ऑफ शेक्सपियर तो ऑब्वियसली बात है गर्ल्स कहते हैं या मींस ऑब्वियसली एवरीवन डिड
This is gonna
तो
go
कहता हूँ
badly.
सो हाउ डू यू फील आफ्टर प्रूविंग रॉन्ग तो कहेगी कि मींस आई डिडंट गॉट यू मींस शेक्सपियर सेड दैट नथिंग कैन बी मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन मून बट यू प्रूव्ड हिम रॉन्ग ये भी हंसती है
it's tragic
ओके मैंने फेसबुक पे काफी चीज ट्राई
शेक्सपियर के
करी
साथ
अभी तक
match हुआ,
सक्सेस
oh
रहा
my.
हूँ मेरी जो गर्लफ्रेंड है मैं फेसबुक पे इम्प्रेस करी थी एंड शायद
Oh,
साइकोलॉजी
that's
से
his
करने की
proof
कोशिश
of
की थी
concept. मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है मैंने फेसबुक पे इम्प्रेस की थी उसको. God damn. मतलब रिसर्च का भी दिखाना पड़ता है ना काम.
You want to know some trivia about this dude? So, because of all these things that he said, he got put on like the vendor roster for MTV.
Vendor roster.
And then he is there in this show called Super Dude, where Ashmit Patel teaches a bunch of guys how to impress girls. Super stud. It became Super Dude.
और अश्मित पटेल कौन है यार? मतलब बताने के लिए.
Ashmit Patel is the stud of the century, Akansha.
I guess Chinatown.
No, that is Upen Patel.
Oh God.
Ashmit Patel is actually Amisha Patel's brother. Not.
Then who is Upen?
Upen Patel is not a brother, not at all related. That is 36 Chinatown.
So it actually did help him, his career.
Oh, being on roadies helps all these people's career, by the way. Like, even if they are on roadies for like 3 seconds.
तेरे बस की एक नई लड़की आ जाए तेरे पास.
ऐसा ही था. नहीं, ऐसा ही था. I got my first girlfriend when I was 6. I got my second girlfriend when I was...
What is wrong with people?
What a superstar you are. Shut up, listen to me. इसने पेलना शुरू कर दिया घटिया लाइंस.
Okay.
You are the moon. You are the star. इसने इन्वेंट किया by the way.
ये तो क्या? This is mine. ये तो मेरा है.
और अपने आप को उसका बॉयफ्रेंड मानता है. Okay. Loser number 1. कहता है कि आज तक ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं कि मैंने.
This hazing part, I don't understand. Just call them a loser and show them the door.
Arey, it is college ragging.
क्या क्या हो रहा है?
हाँ वही तो.
I know I'm sent by God for something special. मुझे भगवान
But
ने किसी
that's the thing, right? About this whole scenario, I get that people are asses, okay, and they will be. But you are portraying like these guys are the judges, but they clearly do not have a better moral standing. वो खुद भी मंकी बन रहा है, ये खुद भी बुली कर रहा है, खुद को अपने आप को कूल समझ रहा है, मतलब सब एक जैसे ही है according to me, बस सैलरी का डिफरेंस.
This is why people ask for more money in your jobs.
Like one is taking job, one is, but they're all roadies. Yeah.
So, what do you think, Akansha?
I don't understand this. Is what I think. It is part. So see, while we're doing this, right, it's like a bunch of clips and all. So it's part disturbing, horrifying, hilarious. You know. But I don't understand sitting and watching this like weekly. I don't know why that would ever be a thing.
Fair enough.
So, but yeah.
You should do one thing where we actually get other people who are from Gen Z or like younger
To
people
question
to
them.
watch this and then give their opinion about this. Like, would they watch this?
Would they watch this stuff?
Because right now roadies is running, dude. This is the
It's still
current
going on.
roadies. I don't know who watches it.
Or what purpose? It never served a purpose, but I guess it used to be like an
Its
endurance
purpose is
reality
to keep
TV, right?
Neha Dhupia's career going at this point.
Nee,
And
but
Raftaar has no work right now.
So I mean, like, I guess that's the reason.
Oh my god, this was a great ride.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy I got to show Akansha these clips
I
because
am now equally scarred.
we talk about these clips actually in particular and a whole lot more about roadies in this episode of our podcast right here.
Yeah, you guys should really see it. These guys are hilarious. And also like, share, subscribe, and tune in for all our podcasts.